Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little angel reader.
Wake up, Max! We are doing lesson 16 today. Wakey, wakey! You have a moose, and there is a caterpillar hiding. Yeah, let's put the caterpillar right here.
Hey,
Good morning. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to learn a new sound for today?
Yes, but I want to. I
What do you want?
show what Max is doing.
You want to show what Max is doing? Okay, what are you doing, Max? Show us. Show us.
Anything?
Nothing? You're not doing anything? Okay. Hey guys, look at this new sound. This is a new sound, okay? It says the. Max, look at the new sound. Please, wake up. Time to wake up. Let's finish the lesson quickly so we can play. All right? Caterpillar. Hey, here is our new sound. The. Max, look at it and say the. The. Okay, perfect. Now, take a good look at these sounds, okay? Say it slowly if you can. Don't get fooled.
Yeah.
How about this sound? Can you say it slowly? Or is it always fast? D. Max, what's the first sound? This is the. This is the new sound. The. Okay, can I have my stick, please? Okay, what sound is it? E. Okay, come close, yeah. Okay, then this is E. It, yeah, like, okay, the. What's this? What sound is it? R. Okay. T is always fast, remember? The. How about this one? D is always fast. And this is E. E can be long. Okay, Max. Now, look at this word. This is a tricky word a little bit. Look at it. Sound it out. Can you sound it out? Is. It says, this is how we sound it out. Is. Max, and this is how we say it. Is. Here's how we say the word. It's is. How do we say this word? Is. Reading is fun. Max, this is the word is. Okay, this is is. Reading is fun. So we sound it out like is, but we read it like is.
That's a story.
That was a story, yeah. Can you read again from yesterday? This is our yesterday story. Let's read the first word. Look at the first word. It's here. Mad. Mad at me. Read again.
Mad at me.
No, read it. Look at the words. Mad at me. So who is
Mad
saying, why are you mad at me? This girl is asking, why are you mad at me? And this one is really mad, yeah? Okay, Max, read this word again. What does it say? Is. Remember? Is. All right, Max, let's read these words. Sound it out first, the first word.
Look, that's E.
That's right. How about this word? Let's do it, Max. Max, look at the words, honey. Sound it out first. Can you do it without my help, please? Okay, Max, let's read these words. Sound it out first. Read the first word. I'll help you. What sound is it? What sound is this? T. So sound out it again. Okay, together. It. Okay. Let's do the next word. It is. Okay, how about this one? Yeah, touch under this. Is there E or A?
Rat.
Max, no. Look at the sounds. Do not make up words, okay? You can read. Say the first sound. What sound is it?
Sad.
Okay, don't guess. Just read. Read it with me. There's no E. Look, this is E. And this is A. Okay, touch under the sounds and read them. Please, you know the sounds. Let's practice. Touch under the first sound. Here, hold the stick. Okay, let's do it. You can do it. Now we're working on this word. Let's sound out the second word, Max. Say the sounds, okay? Ready? You sound it out, honey. Sat. Sat. Little frog sat on a log, remember? Little green frog sat on a log. Look at the word again. Sat. Okay, let's do this one. Sound it out. Ear. Ear, that's right. Ear. The next one, Max, the next word. Get ready.
Sneeze.
Max, look at the last sound. Read it. Me.
Me.
Not me, Max. Look at the sounds. All of them. Can you see all of them? What's the last sound? Say it. T.
T.
So read the whole word. Meet.
Meet.
Meet. Meet me in the morning. Meet me in the park. Okay, the next word. You say it. It's your turn. Seem.
Seam.
Seem. It seems like you're a good reader. Seem. And this one is read.
Re.
Read the last sound. You didn't read it. Read. Okay?
Read.
Read a book. Okay. Max, let's do the words again together. Me and you. It.
It.
Sat. Ear. Meet. Seem. Read. Max, let's do some rhyming. You are going to rhyme, and these are the sounds you're going to start with. Say the sounds real quickly. Wait. We don't need this. There's no air. There's M, but there's no M. Okay. What sound is it? R. S. And M. Okay, again. R. S. M. You are going to rhyme with M. Rhyme with M and start with R and rhyme with M. Do it. Ram. Like this. Ram. Now rhyme with M. Start with S. Max, wake up. Start with S and rhyme with M. Sam, right? Rhyme with M again. Start with M. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Max, let's do rhyming again. Okay? I want you to rhyme now. We're rhyming with M. What are you going to rhyme with? M. Start with R and rhyme with M. Ram. Well done. Start with S. Max, start with S and rhyme with M. Sam. You have a friend, Sam, okay? And this one is rhyme with M. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Max. Now say these sounds. What sound is this? It's a new sound, remember? The tongue between your teeth, and you say the. Okay, this one is D. Okay. This one is, say it slowly. M. Say it fast. M. Say this one slowly. R. Say it fast. R. Say this one slowly. E. Say it fast. I. And this one is always fast, remember? T. Where's our new sound? The. Find it. The. Where's I? Fine. I. Oh, touch it. I. Where's D? Okay. Where's M? The. Where's the? Okay. And I? Okay, well done. Max, are you ready for the story? We're gonna read the story. Let's see, and then we will see the picture. Let's see what it says. Now you're going to read this story. Okay? Put the finger or put the mark on the first ball of the word. Okay? On the ball of the first word. Can you sound it out? Max, this is
Read.
Read. Okay? And the next word is
It.
What does it say?
It.
Okay, it. Read the first word again.
Read it.
That's right, Max. I will read it the fast way now. Watch me. Read it. Read it. So you just read, read it, Max. You're going to see a girl in the picture. Somebody gave this girl something and said, read it. Somebody gave the girl something and said, read it. Are you ready to see the picture?
Yes.
Okay, now let's see the picture and see what somebody gave the girl. Here's the picture. Do you see the picture? Wow. What did somebody give the girl, Max? What is it?
A big book.
It's a huge book. Yeah, look at this book. And this is the girl. Do you think she can read that great big book?
No.
Why not?
Because it's so big.
Because it's so big. Oh, it's huge. Okay, do you think you are going to get smart enough to read such a big book? Sure, you'll be smart enough, Max, to read any book there is. We're learning to read, and soon you'll be able to read books. So, read the story again. What does it say? Read it. Read it. Read it. Max, we will write D and I today. And this is the end of lesson 16. Yay, you did it, Max. Give me 5. Well done, well done.
A girl and a big book.
Yeah.
And
what? And what? Look at the girl. I think she's a little bit scared. Like, what? How can I read this book? I can't even open it. It's so big and heavy. Okay, let's write D and I. Okay, Max, this is how you... What?
No.
Do you remember? Do you remember how to write D? Okay, you try then.
No.
You know? Like this and like this. Perfect. Max, that's amazing, Max. How about I? Can you write I? Do you remember how to write it?
Yeah.
First you draw a vertical line, yeah? Then add a little ball. A little ball. Well done. This is I. I. Look, I'll write 2 sounds together. And D. Make D longer. Yeah. Max, my turn. It's my turn, okay? Let me write something. Can you move your little hand away? Look, I'm going to write what sound? A. And this is T. What does it say? It. It. It says it. Max, it. It is. Can I show you how to write R? Please move your little finger. Look, vertical line and then like this. You try to read R. Not read, write. We're writing. Draw or write. Start at the top.
No.
You're using your left hand. Okay.
I'm drawing the.
D. You want to draw D? How about R? Okay, draw D. What is it? You know what? That's too big. What is it, Max?
M. M and the.
What are you writing, Max?
T.
T. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little angel reader.